Hello everyone, Justin Haney here. We're going to go over our last module, Module 12, Designing a Data Protocol and Graphic Organizer. We're going to start with the data protocol here. I made it kind of just set up with our school colors in Hayes Middle School. Basically, we're going to identify the data we're looking at, what is being assessed. We're going to come up with a guiding question. What do we want to know about that data? And then we're going to look at it, we're going to analyze it. We're going to look for patterns and subgroups. We're going to look for strengths and areas of improvement that we need to look at. Then we're going to discuss. We're going to go over the 5 whys that we like to use. So we're going to answer or ask why we're seeing certain things, and then we're going to ask why 4 more times just to elaborate on what could be going on there and what are the issues that are kind of the root causes underneath everything. Then we're going to look to improve. We're going to brainstorm. We're going to come up with ideas, try to fill in the gaps of why or how we can fix those barriers that we're facing. We're going to decide, act, and monitor. So we're going to come up with the best decision. We're going to implement a plan, and then we're going to monitor progress through that. So as we go through all that, staff will have this in front of them. It basically follows along with the 6 steps. And they're allowed to put in notes, basically what we want to know, what questions we're asking, what areas we need to improve, what were the strengths. We have the 5 whys, the barriers we need to follow, and then on the decide, act, monitor, what plan are we implementing, how we monitor all that progress, how we track data in the future on that. And then there's a secondary column there where they can put in thoughts, ideas, and then in any areas that we kind of might be missing or we need to know. Then this last part is the data analysis tree. So basically this is going to give us all our percents. Basically we're going to throw the student population starting here on the first, and then we're going to identify the data we want to look at. We're going to add a subgroup to that. To break down the data, and then we're going to add a secondary condition to that subgroup to see if there's any big underlying trends or anything that we can that needs assessed from there. And then we're going to look at student needs based on those assessments. So thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your week.